how to create a new TikTok account. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Hemi Jarvis. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you guys through how to create a new TikTok account. All right, all you have to do is watch this entire video all the way through and follow the steps and the directions that I give you, and you should be good to go. So the first thing you want to do, guys, in order to create a new TikTok account, what you want to do is make sure that you download the app to your iPhone or your Android device. So go ahead and download TikTok from the App Store. And then once you have TikTok downloaded to your phone, you're simply going to launch the app, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the app. And as you can see, once you launch the app, you automatically get to see different TikToks and stuff like that, TikTok videos. But what you want to do is you want to create an account. So what you want to do is click on this button here at the bottom right of the screen, this me button right here. And once you click that, guys, you're going to see a screen that looks like this. Now, once you get on this screen, you're simply going to, it says sign up for an account. You simply want to sign up for a TikTok account. It's not hard at all, very simple. And see, you'll get to this screen right here. And what you could do is you could sign in using a Facebook account. You could link your Google account so that you can create an account with Google. Or you can use your Instagram to create an account. Now, since I'm on an iPhone that I purchased, and this is my iPhone, I may end up using Continue with Apple. But if you want to use any one of these methods, you can also use those as well. This one at the top says use phone or email. So you can create an email and or you can use a phone number. Again, guys, since I'm already on my iPhone, I'm just going to simply continue with Apple. All right, so once I click that, it says, do you want to sign in to TikTok with your Apple ID? And I'm going to just click continue. Then use my face scan. And boom. I now have a TikTok account. Just that fast. All right, guys. And that is how you create a brand new TikTok account. It is literally that simple. So let me, guys, walk you through the process one last time. Let me make sure I sign out. Hold on. Give me a second, guys. I want to make sure I sign out here. Boom. Log out. All right. So again, guys, to create a TikTok account, you simply click this button down here at the bottom. It's going to say sign up for an account. You simply hit sign up, and you can use I can use my Apple ID is what I highly recommend, but you can sign in either way you want. And look, once you sign in, your account is good to go. All right. It's that simple, guys. That's how you create a TikTok account. It literally only took 1 minute. All right. Now, once you got your account created, you can start posting videos by hitting this plus sign right here and just and hit the record button. And there you go. You can simply start making videos. All right. I hope this video was very helpful. I will have more videos coming soon. So be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any other videos that I upload. And I also check the links in the description so you guys can join my newsletter and stuff like that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.